Patients that come to our office know that their eyes are the feature that people most focus on their face. Lower bleph or lower blepharoplasty is a procedure that I have developed my own modifications for. And now in over 2,000 operations that I have performed throughout my career has resulted in better outcomes for patients. I'm able to preserve the natural eyelid shape and an overall pleasing natural effect.
I really enjoy this procedure because the anatomy is so delicate and articulate in the lower eyelids. And there's a relationship between fat that's bulging versus fat that's missing. And sometimes there'll be extra skin and other defined elements that need attention. So you need to bring a lot of tools to solve those issues as well. Because of all the artistry involved in the procedure, it's something I very much enjoy.
The lower eyelid recovery time in terms of procedures can be as long as 10 days, but it's a procedure with minimal pain or discomfort. There can be some slight bruising that extends past the first week, but despite that, I think there is no other procedure that can be done non-surgically that is capable of restoring the attractiveness of the lower eyelid cheek junction quite like a lower blepharoplasty can.
What I find is that patients, even early after surgery, can see a lot of the improvements that have been made to their appearance. And when they're at the 3-month mark, they look much more refreshed and crisp than they did before surgery.
It's an operation that I often do in the office, and it gives a subtle but meaningful improvement. It makes the patients look more awake, more rested, and eliminates that tired look.
It's often the lower eyelids that patients are most drastically impressed with because the central nature of the lower eyelids and it being right next to the center of the face, it becomes one of the first areas that people can see when they're talking to somebody, even in casual conversation. So it's something that makes a profound impact on your overall facial appearance and attractiveness.